Here we will write a Python program to display student information using multiple inheritance. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will define class student. Here we will use default constructor, so we will define two variables in this class, roll number and name. Here we will assign the value to the variable. Then we will define method display with self, and here we will print the value of roll number and name using print statement. Then we will define another class student data. Here we will define variables for course name and course fees. Here also we will assign default values. Then we will define second method display1, and here we will print value of course name and course fee. Then we will define third class student info, which will inherit class student and student data. Here we will define one variable for joining date of the course. Then we will define method student data, and here we will call the methods display and display1 from student and student data class. For this we will use super keyword. So super.display and super.display1, and we will print joining date of a course. Then outside the class we will create object of our class student info, and we will call the method student data from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will print student information as roll number, name, course fee and joining date. Here we can print student information, and again we will execute it. It will display first student information and then roll number, name, course fee and joining date.